Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make adobo seasoning. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box below, where not only will you find the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make adobo seasoning. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for it. We are going to start out with 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, we got our bowl. Our yield is about 7 tablespoons. So we're going to start throwing everything in there. Got our salt, our paprika, our oregano, onions powder, garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper, and our ground up coriander. Just stir this up really well. Oh, that smells good. There it is. We're going to do a photo shoot and we're going to come back and talk more about this. Don't go away. The history of adobo is vast and wide. The cultures that use adobo are also just as vast and wide. It was brought to the Philippines by the Spanish. The Portuguese use it. We have knowledge of it being used in, of course, the Caribbean and in South American countries. Mexico, it is a process more than a seasoning. You can use this for a seasoning mix like we've done. You can also use it with some vinegar to make a marinade. You can also put it on the meat, pork, chicken, beef, whatever you want to make with it, and use it as a dry rub and then go ahead and smoke it too. That would be good. But this is basically a baseline recipe for adobo mix seasoning that I encourage you to try. Don't forget to check out that playlist that I put up there earlier for all the seasoning mixes that I've done on YouTube. And also, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you again real soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.